This is Malvika from AIV. In my previous video, I gave the demo of how can we connect the data in the CSV format with AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we connect the data in Excel format with AIV. So let's get started. We'll first of all go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, we'll go to master data, and master data will go to data source. In data source, in the footer menu, we'll click on create, and in create, we'll click on flat files. In flat files, we'll click on reports. Then we'll go to the downloads option of our device, and there we will be dragging and dropping one file which is in the Excel format into the Dropbox over here like this. So you'll see that we have dragged and dropped one file in the Excel format here, and now we'll click on upload, and we have successfully uploaded our file which was in Excel format. And now we will go to again to the hamburger menu, and we'll go to documents, we'll go to reports, and we'll see that the file in the Excel format has been successfully uploaded, and we can see that file in the reports option of the hamburger menu like this. So this is how we can connect the data available with us in the Excel format with AIV application. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions or queries, you can mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. And you can also explore our latest version of AIV, that is AIV 5, with even more very exciting and enticing features. Thank you.